too small. Circumstance and fear has kept me from growing tall. My hesitations and my doubt keep me in this stall. It's time to break out from these chains, keep me on this lower plane. My mind is ready to be free. All of this negativity, my affirmations and my attitude will drive behind the things that I do. Well, I'm sick and tired of playing oh so small. This is my time to succeed once and for all. I'm gonna light the match, I'm gonna burn down that wall. Because I'm ready, because I'm ready. This is my time. Faster, my abilities are growing. Will they last, or will they fade away to nothing? It's hard for me to say, but I believe in positive creation. To attain it, I must be its vibration. It's as simple as making a choice. Should I be down on myself, or should I rejoice? Enjoy. Question, which one will feel better? I choose the higher thought and write it down in form of letter. Well, I'm sick and tired of playing oh so small. This is my time to succeed once and for all. I'm gonna light the match, I'm gonna burn down that wall. Because I'm ready, 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 because I'm ready. Oh, this is my town, this is my town, this is my town, this is my town. This is my town, this is my town, this is our town, this is our town. So don't waste our time feeling bad about ourselves. Don't waste our time feeling bad about anybody else. No, 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 no. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Thanks, everybody.